This video is brought to you by Aver Media and XPG.
What's going on, guys? Anders here today with Tali of Thermaltake in Computex 2018, who is going to introduce to us the TT RGB Plus ecosystem.
Hi Anders, firstly the TT RGB Plus ecosystem is an intelligent lighting system for your PC that combines the most advanced addressable LED lighting with your Thermaltake patented designed TT RGB Plus software.
So it's the same software that we saw before with the
X1 RGB?
Yeah.
It's basically a more combined software now where you're able to sync your RGB colors with all Thermaltake compatible product lines, which includes, you'll see later on, power supplies, fans, radiators, liquid cooling systems, etc. So you've got a lot of options there.
And it still can be controlled by voice and everything?
Yes, so we have a TT RGB Plus app, which is now available not only with iOS but also Android, and it has a voice-controlled AI where you can control, your colors, brightness, effects, and so forth, for pretty much unlimited possibilities.
And what do you have here right now to show us? Can you give us a demonstration about how this works?
So now I'll give you a demonstration of the TT RGB Plus software feature with the voice control AI. Okay. Hello TT. So as you can see now, we've got the X1 RGB keyboard, the TT Premium headset, the M1 gaming mousepad, and the whole ecosystem system here syncing together for unlimited possibilities for full RGB color sync and color coordination.
So it's like basically you can set off whatever effect, speed, and colors that you want to all your components, not just the inside components of the PC, but also the peripherals, and everything will sync with your cell phone. You don't need to set up anything. Of course, you set up first in the computer, but after that you can just give an order with your cell phone and everything will change. And what is this desk? Can you talk a little bit about this desk?
And this is currently one of our things, something we're going to be doing in the future, and it will be our gaming, gaming table. And one of the unique features, apart from the RGB lighting effect, it has an adjustable height adjuster at the bottom, which can be controlled with a switch to adjust heights to higher or lower. So depending on your room environment, you're able to adjust height accordingly to suit your needs. So it doesn't matter heights, etc. It's compatible, and you can switch. It's got different lighting effects as well.
All right, guys. So that's all for this small tour in the Thermaltake booth. Thank you very much, Tali, for showing off all these new products. We are very excited to have them soon in a near future.
Indeed. So stay tuned for more information. Feel free to visit our website at www.thermaltake.com to learn all about the TT RGB Plus ecosystem, features, software, and a host of other information. So I guess it's until next year.
Until next year.
Bye.